What's up, guys? It's Rick. Welcome to Crown Rick Auto, the channel where we search decommissioned police cars for goodies, weapons. We're gonna be searching this 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This was a patrol car that was involved in an accident, as you can see. But we are gonna go through the whole wreckage and try to see what was left behind, what equipment, parts we can salvage. Here we go. Man, just look at this thing. Jeez. All right, so I'm gonna start from the outside. We have a Unity spotlight, center cabs, and very nice tires all around. Well, it looks like 3 center cabs. This push bar is bent out of shape. Wheel and siren speaker broken, can't use that. This looks like it's still good condition. Looks like the strobe survived it. The engine and transmission is still really good in this car. The only reason it got put out of commission was because of the accident. Probably has really low miles. I still haven't got to that part yet. And looks like we have a wheeling blue light. And over here, the winner of this claw is this guy right here. Congratulations. All right, so here's some of the other stuff I pulled from the car. Taser battery, strobe light, 2 strobe lights, Ford symbol. I got this K9 unit patch. There was also this K9 remote pager. This is part of the remote pager. Also found these multicultural law enforcement book, police field operation, federal signal PA 300. It's all beat up. Could probably use it for parts. This Uniting Bearcat was given to me by a customer. I really appreciate that. I'm going to be including that in the mystery boxes since I have no use for it. Oh, it comes with this. Just want to give you guys a quick update. I got rid of the taxi, I got rid of the K9 car, I got rid of all the other parts cars. I caught a tweaker sleeping in it the other day. I wish I had my camera on it. I was trying to get him to wake his up for the longest and he wouldn't. He was sitting there sweating on a hot day. Anyways, I'm still gonna pick the engine and transmission out of this car. Customers yet to pick that car up. This car, tweaker's been picking at it. About a month ago, Junkyard Boy was over here with his buddies and I was standing over here and I kept hearing, "You won't do it, you won't do it." And then all of a sudden I heard windows getting bashed out. Junkyard Boy is over here with a huge big freaking piece of wood just bashing out windows of one of the nice 2011 Crown Vics that I had lined up for sale. And I'm like, "What the hell are you doing?" And he was like, "Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't think it was really gonna break." And his buddies were like, "Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't think it was really gonna do it." So I'm like, "Yo, you gotta freaking pay for that." And he was like, "Oh, I'm sorry, I will, I'll pay for it." So we leave it at that. So I call over a window tech. He comes out here and as soon as the dude shows up, Junkyard Boy is gone, bam. And then he never showed up after that. But he did call me about an hour ago. He said he wants to come over here and make things right. So we'll see what's up. All right, yeah, here's the other one. Wheeling model 52. Dope. I got the red and blue one. I'm gonna put these on the movie car. Speaking of the movie car, I'm gonna fully refurbish this thing and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe and hit that bell notification. What the? Hey, control yourself. No, you're not getting out. Can you believe that guy? If I let him out, he's just gonna attack me. A master lock. It's a fuel master. Aim to Syntec Systems. Oh, a strobe light, straddle light. All right, I'm giving him a second chance. He's gonna be helping me out here.
Oh, look what's in here. It's so cool stuff. It's stuck in there.
Go get the knife and let's cut it. All right, so we're gonna add it to the collection. This is what I collected so far in the last 2 months. I actually gave away 2 and I sold 2 of them. So I got a total of 5 left. Mystery boxes coming next week. If you're a sponsor, you'll have early access to the video this week. Got it? All right, got it, cool. We got another spotlight here. Let's get the tools and remove this actually. Good job, Junkyard Boy. He pulled them really fast. Good job.
Like that.
Yeah, it's cool when you have the right tools. Somebody left their contacts behind. It's a canteen. Check if there's any alcohol in it.
Nope.
Tastes like, what does it smell like?
Smells like water. H2O.
Smells like H2O. Wait a minute. Did you let the funny man out?
Oh, I didn't know you didn't want him out.
Oh no. Oh no, this is bad, guys. This is bad. This is bad, guys. This is bad.
Funny man.
We got the plastic panels. That's good. There's one on the other side. This comes with these. Very nice cruiser window armor. I think these are gonna go in the movie car. What do you guys think? Click like to vote yes. Kenwood radio. Oof, freaking dusty. Look, is this what I think it is? Oh, looky what we have here. I found some crack. Check it out. Wait, hold on. Dude, let me see, what is this? GG249.
I'm gonna look
Google, yeah, Google that up for me real quick. 10, 12, 14. What you got?
Man, these are some Xanax, man.
That's a Xanny bars, huh?
Xannies.
Sorry about my dirty hands.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Layard antenna. Hopefully nobody steals it. It's a 8-channel wheeling. This is for like a light bar. Start guard, backup power for electronics during engine start. Okay, cool. Wheeling, chilled ballast. Oh, check it out.
Dynamite.
A dynamite shank weapon.
Ah.
Open it. Sync chan lock. It's brand new.
Brand new.
That's cool. In a box too. Nice. Stop stick. Okay. Federal Premium Tactical Buck.
Shotgun shell.
70 millimeter. Another drug testing kit. Heroin opiates test.
You think there could be a gun under there?
Dude, it's possible. I mean, because it was in a freaking accident, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, we got the battering ram. Try to straighten that out.
Ready?
Go. It's gotta be a biscuit in there. Come on, put more oomph into it.
Let's see if there's a gun in there. I don't know.
Oh, you got the job done? Okay. You whacked him? You sure he's dead? Okay, okay. Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, I'll pay you. Jeez. Yeah, here you go. Jeez! Thank you guys for watching. I want to give a special shout out to my sponsors: William Smith, Logan Coulter, Gorilla Dilla, Jaden Lalio, Commander Treaty, Yuri, Sparkzilla, Bryce 1930, Ali N, Ryan Squad, Finn Battlefield, CVPI, Aiden Seagold, and Richard Cohen. Thank you guys so much for supporting Crown Rick Auto. If you guys want to sponsor Crown Rick Auto, there is a link right next to the subscribe button. You guys get behind the scenes bloopers, you guys get extra videos, early access, personal live streams, all kinds of more goodies coming. You guys get weekly pictures, a lot more goodies to come. Also, you guys get your personalized icons next to your name and special emojis during live chat. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Attention crackheads, attention tweakers living in the crack house. I have Xannies for sale. 2-for-1 deal. We are not the police. You will not be arrested. Get your coins together. Get your money together. Do as you're told. Come out with your hands in your pockets, ready to pay.